Hello students, today we are going to start Max NCERT chapter number 9 halves and quarters. Take out Max NCERT book, page number 94, chapter number 9 halves and quarters. So this story we have heard before only. Mintu cat and Motu cat were friends. Once they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. I will take it, said Mintu. No, I will take it, said Motu. While they are quarreling, there come Titu monkey. Who came there? There come a Titu monkey. Hi, what is the problem? Why are you quarreling? He asked. We don't know how to divide this chapati between us, the cat said, because two cats having only one chapati. Okay, don't worry, I will divide the chapati equally for both of you, he said. Clever Tito divided the chapati like this. So, what the monkey did? He divided the chapati into half. These are not equal. The left part is bigger. The left part is bigger. Means this part is bigger. Mintu and Motu said. Oh, no problem. I will make it equal. Titu said. He then cut a part of the left piece and ate it. So what the monkey done? He cut the other unequal part and he ate the chapati. Now, now monkey is asking, now is it equal? Oh, now the right part is bigger. Now the right part is bigger. The cat cried. I am sorry, said Titu. He cut a part from the bigger piece and ate it. Again he cut the part which one is bigger and he ate it. When there was only a small piece remaining, he said, this is my share for the work. Now what monkey told? Now again he did the same thing and now he is only some part only left. So what monkey told? Okay, I will eat the left remaining part. Okay, I have done the work. For that I will eat this share. Titu then quickly ate the last piece and climbed the tree. Now page number 95. Half. If the cats ask you to divide the chapati equally, how will you divide it? So I will fold the chapati in two halves. Okay, chapati is in a circle shape and then I will tear them apart from the creased line. So what we will do, we will fold the chapati, then whatever line that is appearing creased line, that we will tear the chapati. So it will become equal. If you do not cheat like T2, the cats will have this part. Yes, if we will not cheat like T2, so the cat will get the chapati like this half. Yes. Now half of half. If two more cats come for food. Okay, first how many cats are there? Two. Now two more cats are come means how many cats happen? One, two, three, four. How will you divide one chapati equally for four cats? Now how we will divide one chapati to four cats? Each of us got a quarter of the chapati. You are a good divider. Half. So now how we will divide one chapati into four equal parts? First divide the chapatis in two halves. Okay, first what we will do? We will first divide it into two halves. Again divide it into further two halves. Again we will fold the chapati and we will divide it into two halves. At last I will break the chapati from the creased line. So the creased line we are seeing here. So that line we will break the chapati as shown below. So this way we will make chapati into four pieces. Means this is known as a quarter. Now half of many pieces. Same page. Rani got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friend Reena. Okay, Rani got a chocolate. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bar chocolates are there. Now she wants to give a half part to Reena. So circle the portion that Reena got. So how much Reena will get? So down part, okay, 3 parts she will take and 3 parts she will give to the Reena. So we will circle here down part. Okay, so Reena will get this much part equally. Page number 96. How many pieces of chocolates are there? So total how many pieces of chocolates are there? That is the chocolate is totally 6 pieces. Okay. So next question, how many pieces were left with Rani? So she gave already 3 parts to Reena. So now how much she is having? Rani gave half of her chocolate to her friend Reena. So now Rani was left with 3 pieces of chocolate. Now she is saying, half a chocolate is as tasty as a whole chocolate. When we are sharing and eating, that time the chocolate will become more tasty as compared to the whole chocolate. Okay. So now next, many shapes from a half sheet. Take a piece of paper, cut the sheet into two equal triangles so that each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. So like this we have to cut, we have to take a sheet, then we have to make a line in between, then we have to cut this like two triangle it will come. Now shade the true triangle with different colors. So we have to now shade the triangle with different colors. Draw different shapes using this triangle. One such shape is shown here. Now in this box we have to draw different triangles. Using these triangles we have to draw different designs. So first one we will draw like this way, then second way we will keep it both the triangle combined, then third one like this and fourth one like this. So students, you have to draw in this box. Now many ways to cut into half. I have made a rectangle into two equal parts like this. Each part is half. So rectangle, this boy cut into like this way, half part. We write it as 1 upon 2. It means one part out of 2. Means two parts are there. So in denominator we will write 2 and one part we have to take out, means 1 we will write in numerator. You can check if these parts are equal. Try keeping one on top of the other. Now next page, page number 97. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into a half? Draw 5 different ways. So the rectangles are given, so we have to draw a lines. In how many ways we can cut a rectangle? The 5 different ways of rectangle is shown below. Each part of a rectangle are equal, has the exactly coincides with the other parts. Means they will have the equal parts. See, first one we will write, we will do in the middle of the rectangle, this one part, then again we will draw in the vertical way line, then it will make a half, then it will in the middle of the rectangle and this side, and this we will curve we will do. So this is the 5 different ways of a rectangle shown below, and they are also equal part they are. Now can you check if they are equal? Yes, they are equal part. Many ways to make quarters. I make 4 parts like this. Each part is a quarter and I can write it as 1 upon 4. In quarter how we will write 1 upon 4. It means one part out of 4. So 1 upon 4, it is a rectangle, so I divided it into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. In each part we will write 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. It means it is a quarter. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into 4 equal parts? Draw 5 different ways. Now here in this rectangle we have to draw 4 equal parts. So rectangle divided into 4 equal parts are shown below, as they are equal since each part exactly coincides with the remaining 3 parts. So they are equal. So first one we will draw vertical and horizontal line. It will make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. Then 3 standing line means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. Then 3 sleeping line, then 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Then we will put a crossed line. So here 1 2 3 4, so 4 equal parts, and in a curve shape, so 1 2 3 4, then 4 equal parts. So this way we will make a rectangle into 4 equal parts. Can you check if they are equal? Yes, they are equal.